What's your most popular wheel, Matthew?
All right, so this is definitely right now the most popular wheel. It's a sort of a conglomeration of different wheels that I kind of put together and made this spoke. This one goes good for like rat rods and things like that.
Oh, nice.
Size, yeah. So these are definitely right now the most popular by far.
Okay.
And then there was this one. It's not quite as popular, but this one's basically the same wheel. It's got inserts for the white walls like this one, but these are larger diameter for your big Cadillacs and things like that of the era with the big spoke wheels. So yeah, but definitely W89, number one right now.
All right.
Very cool.
What other tires and wheels are selling good?
Okay, so these, where they at? Right here. These guys.
Oh, those are neat.
Yeah, they're like a Chevrolet.
Yep.
Got a Chevrolet center cap. They're large diameter, but they look like an old steel wheel.
Yep.
Those do great. And the 74s right here, these grudges. Those have done really, really well. So it's a real nice wheel set. It's got separate centers, easy to paint. But yeah, nice wide tires. Yeah, those are doing good.
What's a popular engine?
Oh gosh, let me tell you, popular. It blew my mind. But this,
Supercharged LS.
it is an LS. It's very simple. But this thing has been flying off the shelf. It is crazy. It's just a simple, nice little engine. But that is definitely by far, online at least, the most popular engine we've had in the last month. Yeah.
Okay. We've got a lot of engines. Jeez.
Ask me a question.
What about your tractors and your race cars?
Well, this is the newest tractor here.
Okay.
Actually, you
Yep.
built one already.
Yep.
So this is the one that was built after that European sled dog, which is my favorite tractor out of all of them.
And it builds up nice.
Yes, they're simple builds.
They build up very nice.
This is new, the little mini. Matter of fact, they're having the Chili Bowl right now. That's the big race that's going on, and these are the midgets that are racing, and this is really cool. And then the dirt stock car, also is a new one. That's the dirt stock car is the newest one that I have right now. But yeah, they're all great. I think they're cool. You've done a great job building all the tractors.
The John Deere and the Case IH build up nice.
Yep.
Everyone liked those.
Yeah, they're really cool. Those have been real popular too. Yeah, no, everything's good. Sold a bunch of these little front engine
little
Fiats. Yeah, those have done really well too. Yeah, everything's doing good, and yeah, I'm grateful for everybody that's bought from us. Thank you.
You got Pro Street clips.
Yeah, I got the clips, and just a variation of small parts. Can't bring them all with us because there's not enough bins. I need to purchase more bins so we can have more small parts, but I try to get the most popular small parts and bring with us. Yeah.
Looking good.
Yep.
And where can they find you at if they want your parts?
They can find me at MCVProducts.com, and they can scan that if they wanted to, and it'll take you right there. Appreciate you, Tim.
And you do videos too, don't you?
I do.
What is it?
That is at, thanks for asking, that's at Model Car Videos. Go check me out if you hadn't already.
There you guys go.
All right.
Thank you, Matthew.
Appreciate it, Tim.